Hello guys, today we'll be unboxing the Akaso V50X, which is it's kind of like a GoPro, but much cheaper. And you may be thinking, but wait, on Amazon there's like 1,000 just like this that are like GoPro cameras, but most of them turn out to be kind of crap. Well, that's why you're here on this channel, the best decisions for technology channel. Because I researched for like, I don't know, 5 hours. I spent a whole day researching what is the best GoPro alternative in around 100 Canadian dollar range. And I found out that this is one of the best. So this guy here costs $140, but right now there's a $30 coupon, so it's actually $110. And I believe it didn't have tax on it either, which is awesome. So what do we have here for $110? Well, we have 4K 30 FPS. Apparently, I wouldn't really trust this too much. 131 feet of being able to use underwater. But I mean, if it does break, at least it's only $110 that you lose instead of like 400, 500, 600 for an actual GoPro. And it just says Ultra HD Native 4K edition. And honestly, the box itself is quite nice. Like, yeah, like the presentation is kind of what matters a lot for when you're trying to sell a product, right? And I think the presentation is quite good. Just says here that it comes with a camera that's splash proof, and thank you for choosing the brand. It's compatible with an app that's on the App Store and the Google Play Store, which is awesome because we're using a Google Play Store. Looks like a little sticker, which is like the seal, I guess, of authenticity or something. It says the source 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p with a JPEG format. It has a 20 megapixel camera, which you can use in 12, 10, 8, and 5 megapixel modes. I'm going to use at 20. The reason why you want to use at a lower megapixel is to save on storage space. And also an adjustable viewing angle. So for example, like on newer smartphones, you can do something like this on your camera where you do ultra wide and normal wide. But anyway, we're gonna move on. So it says 141 feet. It's a 2-inch IPS screen, which is, it makes sense because this thing is gonna be very small and kind of cute. And it's Wi-Fi. So I'm very quickly going to get the seal off. So we've got the seal off, and if anyone was wondering, this product was also shrink wrapped. I just took it out beforehand. So your box will look nice and clean. And we're gonna open this. And slide it all out. Ooh, there's the camera. Little itty bitty guy. And you kind of want it to be small and lightweight, ideally. It says getting started and everything. I'll do it unpeeling and stuff off camera, but I guess here's just a quick overview. It looks like this is a shutter button. There's a lens. That's a complete lie. There's like 5 buttons. I'll be honest, I don't know what they quite do. And this looks like it's just a nice pivot point, so you can put this on the adapters that are in the box. So I'm gonna grab the next item in the box. And that's it. Okay, everything else is in here. Boom. Here is the rest of the accessories. I kind of feel like they just threw them all in here. It looks like this is a cover for something. Oh, it's because I guess if you break this one, this is a replacement. So that's nice. We have here. Oh, this is so small. One of the 2 batteries that they include, and I believe this is a 1,350 milliamp hour battery. I'll put those there. A couple of lanyards, clean cloth, and I believe foam pieces. It looks like a foam piece. I guess if you want to stick it on somewhere temporarily, you do that. Akasogo Club member benefits. Oh, you get 12 months warranty by scanning this QR code. That's neat. Put that there. I'm gonna grab this. some Velcro, so I guess you can put it on. I'm not quite sure where you're gonna put the Velcro on, but yeah, I guess you can put it on and put it over your neck maybe. Yeah, wait, this is a lanyard. Well, this was like a wrist lanyard. This is meant to put on your neck, I believe. More adapters. Wait, this is not adapters. This is just another one of these, kind of. Well, it's different. There's gonna be many of those in here. But here's the piece that this clips onto. Here's another adapter thingy. This is another adapter thingy too. I don't quite know what these do. Oh, this is the one that you put on your bike rail. Yeah. Gonna put that there. Whoops. Oh, this is to charge the batteries. You put them in here. You plug them into the mic. I believe there's a cable included. Anyway, you plug them to a micro USB cable and charge the batteries. More adapters. A pivoty adapter. I don't know the technical terms for any of this stuff. I'm sorry. I apologize. Get free accessory. Oh boy. How do I to do to enjoy? Okay, so if you leave an honest review on Amazon, you can get free accessories. That's cool. Quick start guide. They were not kidding when they said quick, because it's just scan QR code for user manual, how to put battery in, how to turn on, how to switch modes, and how to put SD card in, and how to remove it from this case, because this is inside of the case. Honestly, at this point, this looks like the exact same thing as this. There's too many pieces. Oh, here's the cable to charge this, which you put the two baby-sized batteries on. It's a process. It's like this old. It's like the DSLR cameras where you have this special charger and you put the battery on here to charge it. So unfortunately, you cannot use a camera and charge at the same time. But I mean, that's kind of how most things are. And we can grab. Oh, here's the remote. So it has a button to start. Whoopsie. It has a button to start video recording and a button to. I had them reversed. Button to start video recording, button to take a photo. I believe you connect this to your phone to do that, or it might be on here. I'm not too sure. And another piece for stuff, and another adapter. Okay, so this is everything. And yes, that is the video, I suppose. I mean, I was gonna. I'll probably will make a separate video on the camera itself. I'm sure that there's tons of videos explaining what all these adapters and stuff do. But yeah. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is that this thing, you just put it on, like, I think this strap, one of the straps, and you just put it on your wrist like a watch. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.